Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the engine air filter in Nissan Sentra. First of all, we have two hooks or latches that hold it in place, and in the back there are two hooks, one on the left side and one on the right side. So we'll start the removal by unlatching these two. Then I will lift this box slightly, and as you can see, the hooks in the back, they just came out like this, so they were inside, and then you can pull it out this way, and inside, guys, you will see the engine air filter, which I will remove carefully. And this is how it looks. Vehicle has around 30,000 kilometers, and we can see accumulation of a lot of debris and dust inside. This one should definitely be replaced. I will leave you a part number in the description in case if you need one of these. I will insert the new one. Make sure that it sits evenly inside this box, and when you close it, guys, these two hooks need to go in first, both of them. There's one on the right side and one on the left side, so I'll show you. You can see right here how it moves in and out. So now it's in, and don't forget to close these two all the way, and replacement is complete.